Hello guys, and thanks for watching DIYs and Crafts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make cabochon necklaces. You can do this using any image of your choice, or by using acrylic skins left over from fluid acrylic paintings. I'm going to be using acrylic skins for mine. This method is very resourceful, and you never know how the colors or designs will turn out, and it makes pretty interesting effects as it dries. For those who don't know what acrylic skins are, it's simply leftover acrylic paint that dries into a latex material, and afterwards you can peel it off, use it for jewelry, bottle skins, and more. It's actually pretty cool and makes your creations more unique and original, as the designs can't be duplicated. For this project, I'm going to be using Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, a 25mm glass dome, 25mm circle hole punch, a cabochon template with images or acrylic skins. This is optional. String, .25mm cabochon tray, and rubbing alcohol. Use your 25mm hole punch to punch out the area you're using for your pendant. Use Mod Podge and glue your image inside of your tray. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe away any oils or fingerprints from your glass dome. Apply a small amount of Mod Podge Dimensional Magic to your glass dome and lay inside of the tray. Press down firmly to ensure it sticks well to the surface of your image. After it dries, wipe it off with a microfiber cloth or rubbing alcohol. Last, put your pendant on a piece of string. Tie it or use lobster clasps. And you're ready to wear. You can find these necklaces and more on my Etsy shop at etsy.com/shop/Leawayartisans. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIYs. Bye! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out my website at www.etsy.com/shop/Leawayartisans. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_Leaway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.